Ball head technology, patented in the US, Europe, and China, has started a revolution in the dental prosthetics market, offering a simple solution to what has until now been dealt with in overcomplicated ways. It prevents the use of intermediate structures and tilted implant restorations in a variety of medical and dental contexts. This simplicity saves end users both time and money, generating more profit. Ball head technology is also worthy of consideration since it is far safer than the commonly used cemented restorations, which are associated with a number of side effects. Its user-friendly design provides both practical and technical benefits. Rather than attaching prosthetic retention screws at the same axis as the implant position, ball head technology enables aesthetic and functional restorations thanks to its 30 degrees angulation capacity. The technology is furthermore dynamic, in the sense that there are two versions of the same product, ball head system and universal ball head, each having unique purposes and advantages, compatible with the most common implant systems and conventional manufacturing processes. Ball head technology, therefore, offers a safe, easy, and ready-to-use solution to one of the world's fastest-growing markets.